Today I am going to explain the push button LED project using Arduino. Now in this project, that is push button LED, we are going to use the 4 to 5 components. First, very important, that is Arduino. Second, a breadboard. This is a push button LED. The LED is must, and this is the push button, right? All these connections are connected using the wires, right? Now one resistor is also required for limiting the current, right? First I will connect the one, that is cathode tip, which is negative tip of the LED, to the ground pin of the Arduino. Okay, now the another positive tip, that is anode, is connected to the 13th pin, that is D13 of the Arduino. Now I place this push button on breadboard anywhere. This resistor, the resistor's one tip is connected to the one terminal of this push button. So I will rotate this resistor like this. This overall series is internally connected, as you can see the green light, right? So one tip of the resistor is connected to this push button. Now one ground is connected to the negative rail of this breadboard, and the 5 voltage pin is connected to the positive rail of the connection. Now this one terminal of the push button, I will connected it to the D2, that is pin 2 of the Arduino, as it work as a input. When I press this button, it reads the input, right? And get this color as a green. Okay, for this button I want to give the current, so I connect the one terminal of this push button to the positive rail, as it flows the current through this wire to the push button. Okay, and it will also flow the current from this wire, as it take it as a input. As it reads, as the button is pushed or as the button is released, this input will go to this 13th pin, and 13th pin will give the output to this LED. This is the basic workflow of this push button LED. Now we'll see the one more connection is left here, that the one end of the resistor is must be connected to the ground. Now come to the part of coding, right? Now this code is in CPP language. Okay, now for void setup, the pin mode we have main two pin modes. First is D2 and second is D13. So first pin mode is our 2, which is act as a input, right? And another pin mode is 13, which is act as output. Okay, this is our void setup. Now void loop is the repetition of the process. So as here our basic idea of our project is that when I press this button, the light turns off, and when I release this button, the light, or that is LED, turns off. So in this loop, if the digital read, that is button 2 read, is equals to 1. 1 means high. When the digital read is high, then digital write. Digital write means who will who will write this digital signal. The 13th pin number will write this. It get the result from the 2 pin, and the 13th will write the result as it's high or not. If the 2 is high, then 13th pin will write as a high and the light blinks. And if the second pin is not equals to high, then it will turn off. Okay, this digital pin, digital write 13, will be high. Yes. Then else the digital write of 13 will low. 13 low means LED turns off. Yes. We'll close the brackets. Here the resistance is 270 ohm. Every time you must check the resistors. If you are using the resistor, then always check the resistance of this resistor. Okay, we'll check this code as pin mode 2 is input and pin mode 13 act as an output. When I press this button, it turns on, and when I release this button, it turns off using these two pins, right? Okay, now it's time to start the stimulation of the code. Okay, when I press this button, the lights on, right? And when I release this button, the lights off. This is all about the push button LED project. Thank you.